Hello everyone, let's learn a new quote together. Before we get into the quote, I would like you to subscribe to my channel. It helps me a lot. Being human, helping each other, is the best humanity. The quote that said, "Nothing is given, everything is earned." In a world that promises shortcuts and instant success, there's one truth that never fades. Nothing is given, everything is earned. This isn't just a quote, it's a mindset, a way of life, a call to rise, even when the odds are stacked against you. This quote reminds us that success, respect, and fulfillment aren't handed out. They're built brick by brick, day by day. You don't earn greatness by asking for it. You earn it by showing up, grinding through the hard days, and refusing to quit. It's not about privilege, it's about persistence. Think of the student in Cambodia who studies under a streetlight because there's no electricity at home. They're not given education, they earn it. Or the single parent working 2 jobs, still finding time to learn new skills online. No one hands them opportunity, they create it. Even in mental health, healing isn't gifted. It's earned through therapy, reflection, and courage. In today's society, we're surrounded by instant gratification, likes, followers, viral fame, but real achievement that takes time. This quote is your compass. When life feels unfair, when progress is slow, when you're tempted to give up, remember, nothing is given, everything is earned. So, what are you earning today? What are you building, step by step? Drop a comment below and share your story. Let's celebrate the grind, not just the glory. And if this message hit home, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear it.